Hello everyone, welcome to Unlock Apple. Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to unlock an iPhone on your screen. I will explain you everything step by step, and for 100% sure you will get your iPhone iCloud unlock in any condition your iPhone is. So make sure you follow every single step to avoid disappointment. Means sometimes people before they watch video they just comment IMEI. Please do not comment your IMEI until you watch fully video, because you don't have to comment as this video is working for 100%. So follow every single step. If you do not follow, you get disappointment. So please watch full. At the moment you want to put SIM card inside, you don't want to put SIM card inside, we're going to start in this way. Press the language you understand, press the country that appears on your iPhone, and press next. Once you press next button, then of course first thing we have to connect with a Wi-Fi that we don't have at the moment on this iPhone. Network is searching. You can see you can take out SIM card, you can leave SIM card inside. This thing does not matter. If you have a SIM card that have internet, it's better, it may work more faster. So press setup manual. Once you press setup manual, you're going to connect with the Wi-Fi that you have, and make sure you put your right password. Once you enter the password, once your Wi-Fi is connected, it will take you direct to the screen. Either this is iCloud lock or not. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, make sure you subscribe it, like this video, share it, and once you watch this video fully, then you can comment your IMEI number. I'll be more than happy to help if really someone do not understand what I am saying. Okay, now at the moment on your screen you see the activation lock is on, or is locked to a previous owner, or disable Apple ID due to security reasons, or anything. You have to follow exactly same thing what I am doing. In any country you or your iPhone belongs to, just do this. First thing, you go to the first step. Into the first step, we are going to straight configure DNS. Click the manual button and then you press the add. I am giving right now exactly 3 codes. They are the combination of something very special that's going to happen to your any Apple device. Either you have iPhone, iPad, iPod, Apple Watch, or anything that belongs to Apple that have activation lock. So you enter these 3 things same time, and then you press save and next, and then let's see what will happen. Okay, I am saying for everybody, if someone don't see anything, as this is 4K video, so everything is very clear, make sure you have a good internet connection to watch this video and read the digits is written. Still I'm saying every single word for everybody to hear it and understand. So 198.1.2.62.91. This update I have just received with a 100% free of cost unlocking with confirmation. So I get confirmation and I decide to share with my subscribers. So there you go. Next we're going to do is 794.18.24.16. So the first one I will repeat again, the one I did write down, 198.1.2.62.91, and second one 794.18.24.16. So make sure you did write down the same thing what I am, and please make sure you have a very fast internet connection to make this thing happen into your Apple device. 283.66.49.81. Once you do that, make sure you press the save button. You see on the top your Wi-Fi is gone. Why this is gone? You see it comes back already. That means the thing we did add it, everything is perfectly working. So we add our details, and after adding details, Wi-Fi goes and come back. So goes back. At this time you're going to press start again button, press the language, exactly same thing what we did, and press setup menu. Once you do that, the thing you are going to get is activation lock. So now we are going towards our second step. Step by step, you do follow with me what I am doing. Guarantee is for 100% free iCloud activation lock remove. Now everybody writing apple.com, everything same what I am writing, and there is important things. iCloud 821. Make sure you do write iCloud 821. Going back, you see the Wi-Fi again pops in and out. So we are going with step-by-step things how we should go. It comes unable to activate. Press start again button. And now what we are going to do is waiting. If it takes long, you have to make sure that it is really going to work. Okay, first time we did it. Now we are going to add another thing, apple.com, everything same. Okay, the next is 164. We write down 164 and we are going to the step. I see some people without watching video, they just put them IMEI number. Guys, please, you have to do the thing what I'm doing without taking my help, so you will get for yourself how I'm showing you now. Okay, at this time we are going into again same place, and now we are going to write down same thing again. So how long is process? The main thing is this is for free. Okay, iCloud, and this time 9, 6 and 5. Once you do write this, press the save button, back button. If you do not understand anything, you can watch this video with slow mode and you will get same thing. So main thing is you just have to follow the exactly same thing what I'm doing in this video. At iCloud.com, in password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 times we add 0, press next and waiting now. Okay, again waiting, again waiting. So this is 3 times we did it. So going back to the last step. Okay, from the start, sometime you have to start. It may take long, but it will work for sure. Okay, again you are writing same thing here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Again 8 times, again waiting. Okay, again. Okay, So we did 3 times. We have to make sure we're doing 3 times. Start again. Every single step whoever follows, the guarantee is things are happening how it's supposed to be, how is happening on your screen. Come up time, Wi-Fi gets stronger. That means every single thing we add in this phone, that was for sure that it will work for those who will follow the exact same thing what I am doing. If you're just looking for free help, I'll be more than happy to help, but please try this before you write down your IMEI number, and please avoid writing messages that doesn't have sense. Thank you for watching. At this time, new iOS is arrived and we're going to upload now, update this 12.4 iOS. So thank you for watching and have a good day.